Right now, Harry, so 62 in the test last week. The paper 2 for this year was a bit harder, so I'd be interested to see how you get on. Right, so you missed out a mark there. That's right. And you're going to lose a mark here as well because the calculator doesn't add the 0, but you need to add the 0 because it's money, and we don't write money to one decimal place. So only 2 marks there. 3176 is correct. You don't need to use a 10%, 20% method. It's a calculator allowed paper, so you could just tap it into your calculator. 120, 80, 400. Capacity of a cup. If you think a small can of Coke is about 300 ml, so a cup would be that type of quantity. Take a look how I explain that on the video clip, because that's something you should be able to do without too many problems. It's not a segment. They want the line. They want the name of the line. Segment would be the part of the circle that's created by the line, but the line is called a chord. So that one's wrong, that one's right, that one's right, and that one's right. 46 is a little bit light. I think that one should be included, and that one as well, and possibly that one. So 48 would be nearer, but it's within the range, and you are multiplying by 6, so you will get 3 marks there. That's good. This one, have a look how I do it on the website, on the video clip, sorry, and see if you can get your head around it. It should be something that you pick up on without too many problems. 1/6 is wrong, 6/10 is right. And all you need to do, remember this is a calculator allowed paper, so you can use your calculator to do the work for you. 12 out of 20, press equals, SD, 0.6, so that is 1. 1/6, press equals, SD isn't 0.6, and so on. So you can just use your calculator to do the work for you. You've got 1 wrong, 1 right, and there are other ones there that you haven't found, so you won't get any of those marks. You will get that mark, and you won't get this mark because you got the fraction the wrong way around. It's 10 out of 40, 1 out of 4. Well, that's correct. Now here again you can use your calculator. 53%, you write it as a decimal, which is just like writing 53 pence if you have to use pounds, so £0, 53 pence, multiplied by 82, and then press equals. This you should be able to work out. I know it looks a lot of information, but again, watch how I go through that on the video clip. It is something that I expect you to be able to do. So that wasn't a good page, only 3 marks there. You've lost a lot of marks that you should be getting. Adds 4 to the number. With this one, clearly it's going down, but it's not going down by the same amount, so it's not a subtract. So what you would then try is a divide. And again, it's a calculator allowed paper, so 243 divided by 81 equals 3. 81 divided by 27 equals 3. So it's dividing the previous by 3. We practiced equations this week, so hopefully that will help there. Questions like this, again, we'll be practicing in the next few weeks, along with averages, but I would have liked to think that you've been able to get your head around that. So only 1 mark on that page. That is not part of the homework. And from here, it looks as if you've run out of time because there are no marks beyond there. So you're not going to do well in this paper because you haven't given yourself enough time to do the whole thing. So C in paper 1, here 7, 14, 16, 19, 20. 20 is a grade G. There's no lower grade than a grade G other than a U. So that is pretty shocking, really. And I would expect you to do a lot better than that, Harry. And I hope you're disappointed.